Very good morning, dear friends. I'm enjoying peace, tranquility, and happiness amidst the beautiful nature. All around, birds, trees, plants, greeneries, and basking in some noble thoughts. Feeling the mind, which is so empty, with some valuable, precious philosophy of life. And I cannot be selfish. I am going to share all this with you because if a candle is emitting its light, it should spread all around the environment. Let's get some benefit out of it. That is the meaning of life. Live for others. खुद गर्ज दुनिया में ये इंसान की पहचान है, जो पराई आग में जल जाए वो इंसान है. अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, तू जी ये दिल जमाने के लिए. अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, बाजार के जमाने से कुछ भी न हम खरीदेंगे. बाजार के जमाने से कुछ भी न हम खरीदेंगे. हाँ, बेच कर खुशी अपनी लोगों के गम खरीदेंगे. हाँ, बेच कर खुशी अपनी लोगों के गम खरीदेंगे. बुझते दिए जलाने के लिए, बुझते दिए जलाने के लिए, तुझी ये दिल जमाने के लिए. अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए. हिम्मत बुलंद है अपनी, पत्थर सी जान रखते हैं. हिम्मत बुलंद है अपनी, पत्थर सी जान रखते हैं. कदमों तले जमी तो क्या हम आसमान रखते हैं. कदमों तले जमी तो क्या हम आसमान रखते हैं. गिरते हुओं को उठाने के लिए, गिरते हुओं को उठाने के लिए, तुझी ये दिल जमाने के लिए. अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए. So dear friends, I try to convey some of the inner feelings of my heart. May God bless us, that every breath of my life should be totally dedicated, devoted, committed to serve the mankind. Because the day I have to leave this earth, there should be a lot of people who should remember me. कबीरा जब हम पैदा हुए, जग हंसे हम रोए, ऐसी करनी कर चले, हम हंसे जग रोए. When we were born, the world rejoiced, but let's act in such a way for the welfare of the mankind that when we die, we laugh before dying. We should rejoice and we should create a vacuum on this planet. That should be the true meaning of life. Live not for self, live for others. We are the blessed people who have got so much of opportunity in life. We have attained a lot. This is the time to give. Give to the society. Make the society happy and prosperous. And there cannot be any greater gift than the wisdom. O wise man, share your every wisdom to every person. See the smile on every face daily you meet. Speak certain words which can really generate impulse of enjoyment and happiness in every mind. Then that day is the real day. Also give something to a needy person. Then that day will be the celebrated day for you. And let's, dear friend, learn this greatest thing in our life, because we are living in society. We have to deal with a lot of people. A man is a social animal. So how we can really make our presence felt among our every poor human being? We should appreciate. सहज लोक मा सहुने बंदे निंदा न करे कैनी रे. We should see the fragrance coming from every individual. We should take the best out of everyone and never look at the defects of anyone. बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो चित देखा अपना मुझसे बुरा न कोई. We have not yet to detect the faults and mistakes of anyone else. No blame game. Behave like a great leader. Correct them. Show them the right path. Without blaming, without hurting. That's the way we should lead people and lead our life in such a way that people should feel proud of us. By appreciation, we make excellence in others, our own property. We win people. We must look into other people as well as at them. A good deed is never lost. He who sows courtesy reaps friendship, and he who plants kindness gathers love. A man's own good breeding is the best security against other people's ill manners. जो तो को काटा बोए ताव तू बोए फूल, तो को फूल का फूल है, वाह को है त्रिशूल. If somebody is planting thorns for us, my dear friend, we should present them with flower. We have not to learn the negativity from them. We have to teach them what is positivity, what is love, grace and gratitude. We have not to have revenge. We have to forgive them. क्षमा बड़न को उचित है, छोटन को उत्पात. विष्णु का क्या घटी गया जब मीरग ने मारी लात. This is a poem from Vishnu Puran. Once Vishnu was sitting in the forest and meditating. A deer came and started kicking and hitting. But that great God forgave that deer. But he didn't lose anything in his life. जो बड़ेन को लघु कहे, नहीं रहीम घट जाए. गिरधर मुरलीधर कहे, दुख कछु मानत नाई. Nobody is going to make you small. You remain what you are. But you forgive somebody, you also raise your greatness in your own mind. Tolerance, forgiveness is divine. It is not natural. Natural is tit for tat, blows for blows, hatred for hatred, greed for greed. And as Rudyard Kipling told, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming on it you, once you can trust yourself Well, all men doubt you, but give allowance to the doubting too. If you can wait and not be weighed by tiring, or being hated, don't give way to hate, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. And dear friends, then what he told lastly? Yours is the earth, and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Yes, my dear friends, we have to be a man, a blessed man, a kind man, a man only sees positive things in this world and creates such an environment which is fragrant. That's the purpose of our life. Here, the meaning within the world. Look at the beautiful nature. I don't know, you are able to hear the twittering sounds of those birds, but I am. And look at the hillock. Look at the hillock. Look at the hillock. This is such a great environment where a spirit will blossom and go and sit in the heaven where there is grace, love and gratitude. Charity, good behavior, amiable speech, unselfishness, these by the chief sages have been declared the elements of popularity. Kind words are the music of the world, my friend. We are far more liable to catch the vices than the virtues of our associates. Don't do that. Always see the better thing in any individual, and if it is worth, emulate it. Arguing with a fool proves they are too. Never argue with the fools. Get rid of him. Their words are like hidden knives thirsting for blood. They are cruel in their greed and their envy. Beware of the ignorant. They are saturated with poisons, worse than a snake which has venom only in the mouth. Argument is the worst thing in earth. In every family, you see, nobody has tolerance. The ego try to surface, and then arguments, biting each other, hitting each other. Even the life become hopeless. Peace is lost, happiness is gone. Argument is evil. Dear friends, I pray you with both hands. I bow to you and request you, never argue with anyone. If you are arguing with the most ignorant people, they will burn you. Their words are just like thorns, which will pierce your heart permanently and ruin your life. Just run away. Give some space. Go to the shelter of wise men, where you will get calm and happiness. And also, if you are in the company of the wisest man, hear their words. They are just like Amrit. They will spread immortality in you. Never argue with the great. They have experienced so much in their life. They have learned so much in their life. Follow their footprints. One of such great living goddess Saraswati is B.K. Usha. She is living goddess and she lives at Mount Abu. I request my friends, if you want to know true path which can lead to your success, peace, happiness and prosperity, listen to B.K. Usha on YouTube. She will make you happiest person on earth. We are far more liable to catch the vices than the virtues of our associates. Be courteous to all, but intimate with few, and let those be well tried before you give them your confidence. You know, a man is known by the company he keeps. Be wise in selecting people. Look to be treated by others as you have treated others. Success in life, in anything, depends upon the number of persons that one can make himself agreeable to. Never part without loving words to think of during our absence. It may be that you will never meet again in this life. Let us believe neither half of the good people tell us of ourselves, nor half of the evil they say of others. The more you say, the less people remember. Brevity is the soul of wit. Silence is golden. Speak only when it is better than silence. Never lose a chance of saying kind words. The soul of conversation is sympathy. It is always good to know, if only in passing, charming human beings. It refreshes one like flowers and woods and clear brooks. Every man is volume of you. Know how to read them. Do not forget a small kindness, and do not remember small faults. It requires less character to discover the faults of others than it does to tolerate them. A good word is as easy obligation, but not to speak ill requires only our silence, which costs us nothing. Men are more mindful of wrongs than of benefits. The less people speak of their greatness, the more we think of it. He who sedulously attends, pointedly asks, calmly speaks, coolly answers, and seizes when he has no more to say, is in possession of some of the best requisites of man. In many things, it is not well to say, know thyself. It is better to say, know others. If evil be said of thee, and if it be true, correct thyself. If it be a lie, laugh at it. Dear friend, I recite one poem. निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कुटी समाय, निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कुटी समाय, बिन पानी साबुन बिना निर्मल करे सुहाय. If somebody is critical of you and he is trying to tell you your inner faults, appreciate those people, because they are going to remind you about your defects, and you can really take some corrective measures to make you free from all these ignorance. Dear friends, we have discussed at length how we can be a better person on earth. Just by saying is not enough. It has to be practiced with a lot of passion. It is also just like success. If you are loved, if your absence is felt in the society, who is really creating some good environment where people are wise, they are benevolent, they are philanthropists. What better job than this? What better success than this? Thank you very much for hearing. I wish we should follow the noble path and succeed in life. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.